Have you ever experienced being able to think of something because it is illegal? Can illegal can be legal in the eyes of the people because of its self-control? Marijuana, or also known as cannabis sativa, is an annual herbaceous flowering plant that is indigenous to Eastern Asia. Marijuana, also described as recreational drug because it is the most commonly used addictive drug after tobacco and alcohol that has been used even among young people. In 2018, more than 11.8 million young adults used marijuana in the past year. According to the Monitoring the Future survey, the rate of its users in the past years for the middle and high school students has been remained steady. But the number of teens in 8th and 10th grades who say they are using it daily hasn't increased. However, I agree with the use of marijuana as a medicine because of its potential medicinal properties, and its components has been under the limelight of debates and a subject of research for decades. The researchers has been concluded that cannabis is less toxic than alcohol. It has less potential for addiction. U.S. Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, has approved the THC-based medications. It is prescribed in pill form for treatment of nausea and in patients undergoing cancer chemotherapy, and to stimulate appetite in patients with wasting syndrome due to AIDS. US FDA approved a cannabidiol or CBD-based liquid medication called Epidiolex. It is used for treating two forms of treating severe childhood epilepsy. Many are using marijuana as a medicinal purpose, mostly in the USA, because for its high beneficial effect in managing chronic pain. To support this, according to Speaker Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, she used marijuana to ease pain when she's in countries when it is legal. On the other hand, even though there are many benefits to use marijuana as a medicine, it still brings negative results. According to scientific research, some of the different health problems you can get from marijuana is brain health, heart health, lung health, and cancer, and some may lead to drug addiction. Nevertheless, proper, strict, and comprehensive guidelines must be provided by the government on the prescription of the drug, and the distribution of its sale and production must be carefully monitored by the authorities. Lastly, strict regulatory framework to regulate the cultivation, selling, and use of marijuana should be established, implemented, regulated, and evaluated by the national and local government. Government also allow marijuana to be used only by those with illnesses who need it as medicine, and for those who keep it simple because of addiction will be imprisoned. When we hear the word marijuana, immediately enters in our mind that it is forbidden and harmful. But despite of this, it can also bring positive results because of its potential in medicine. It is only up to the user if it's used in medicinal purpose or abuse its legality.